All right, so one of the items on your menu, there's two related to focus. I'm going to go into both of them really quickly. Hit my eye menu. I'm going to go down here, and this is the focus mode. So it's the way the camera decides to focus on a subject using the focus rings, but there's really two possibilities. I'm going to get back into that. One is called single server mode, and basically what that means is you're taking a single shot and nothing's really moving. That's why they're showing you an example of a landscape. The other way to look at it is continuous servo. That's when something's moving. So let's say you're on the field. I'm moving back and forth so that it doesn't lose it and time out. But if someone's moving on the field, or in this case, they're showing a picture of a surfer, they're coming towards you. And what's happening is the focus is changing and shifting as they're moving. Because if it locked in at one distance, like in a static shot, then they would fall out of focus. And if you kept taking sequential shots, each time that the subject would move out of that area of focus, it'd get blurrier and blurrier. So what it's doing is it's compensating by moving the focus to follow the subject that's in the focus ring. And then the third option is manual focus. When you do manual focus, you'll see that manual focus there. And basically what you have to do is use this ring to set the focal point. And this is really useful in low light photography where you need to have a subject in the dark and it has a hard time setting the focus. It's also useful if you want to look through the viewfinder and see what it's doing to the focus manually. But if you see that again, just switch it back to AFA. And the reason why this is the best mode is it's the best of both worlds. It does it this way, and it decides based on whether the subject's moving which focus method to use. So this is their best default, AFA.